Okay, welcome to part two of day six, which we paused because it was getting a little bit much time. Yeah, so here what we are going to do, we are going to create now the link for this particular part. So we have managed to create mouth, back, and the head and body part as our index. So if we click that, it goes back there. So we need to have go to mouth, which is going to work. Yeah. So mouth.html, HTML, now it's already there. Yeah. So back that mouth head. Do I have head already? Head is there, and then back. Yep, so we have all that we want to make it work. Good. One, two, three. One, two, three. Good. So if I go to my head here, I know it's HTML5. That is done. And then this is going to be head details. You can grab some details from online and push them there. And then you're good to go. All right. So you can do anything there. I will not give a lot of details. I'll just put H1, the head, and then I'll pay P. What is the head? And someone will answer that. Then I'll go to HTML5. Now you see the good thing of the parts. I don't know, man. Some of these are interesting questions, which I have no idea. And there we go. Okay, good. So if everything is set well, I will also, I need the link to go back to index home, which is not a stress for now, but I would like to be able to go back. So I'll add here A, and I'll say index, and I'll jump here home. Good. And this will be in every page that we are going to click. All right. Good. So if I'm here, I can click here, I will remain there, but I can click on the head. I'll go to the head and they will tell me what is the head. I need to answer that. I can go back to the body part and I'll click on the back. It will explain to me. I'll go back and I'll click on the mouth, and it will explain that. And with this, you can do as much as you want as a programmer to make sure that your site look differently accordingly. You can do a lot accordingly to what you want. So instead of using the whole picture a as a link, we have managed to specify different parts within the picture as a link, and being able to expand in that particular way. Stanley, remember, you can do this with this picture, you can do this with different other picture, any image, you can be able to break it according to coordinates, and they produce exactly what you want to see. If you want to change it, if you want to make it look so different, you can do that. Some other people, they choose even not to write, they create a single image and they break it, so you see the image, but now look, it starts having the life if you have the the clickability. I think if that English exists, I don't know. I'll have to find out. Clickability. That's interesting. We'll see. Yeah, I'm not teaching English, so I think that's that's another case. But the main part, the main concept is you can make an image to be so much alive by giving it capability to be able to click within the image and make it feels like it's part of the system. What I was thinking is, you can think so. What I was thinking is, if you don't specify well the pixels or the size, then there'll be a challenge because this one is fixed. Remember, it's fixed, so there's no surprises at all. It's 500 over 700, so I know if I go 600, I'll be fine. Let me show you what I'm trying to mean. If I remove 700, I don't know exactly what is the size of the image. It's still fitting in. Let me get rid of this. Hey. So if you see there is no size, you can't tell where this. So now the point has gone in the wrong place because the size are not there. So you need to remember that the height and width helps you to control exactly coordinates, because now you know exactly that you have 500 width, you have 700 height, which is also going to be translated to x and y points. So you have 500 from 0 to 500 in x, and from 0 to 700 in y, because 700 of y goes down, and 7 and 500 is exactly the way it should be going. It goes to horizontally. So with the 700 setup, you are exactly on where you specified, because you know I have this size and I can target this because I think this is there and this is there. All right. Until next time, I think we have spent enough time for the lesson number 6, which has been having lesson B, which is this to conclude the part. But you can go beyond this, you can expand and change. But also, if you think you don't need the text at all, you can even remove it to make sure that it looks exactly what you want. So if you come here, there's body part, there's head, uh, that, and the like. So yeah, until next time, remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment, and tell someone else that we are doing this challenge. They should come see us doing this challenge, and maybe they can encourage us to go some more days. The 6 day is really has been tough, but has been so good. So far, so good. We appreciate your support. We appreciate for coming back, being with us. Until next time.